0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role Play-33, discussion about motorcycle breakdown.
A man is going somewhere with his bike. He is on the way to his destination, and then suddenly his bike stops. After a few minutes, he finds a car passing through. He stops the car, and the discussion goes as follows.
Stop, stop, stop.
What happened?
Thank you for stopping. I am in a big problem.
What's the problem? Do you want my help?
Yes, I want your help because my bike has stopped and I cannot see any garage here. Can you tell me where the nearest garage here is on this road?
Yes, it is 2 kilometers away from here.
Can you give me your mobile to call?
Yes, for sure, but whom will you call?
I will just call my son.
Okay, then take it.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Person 1 is calling his son. His son receives the call and they both talk as follows.
Hello?
Hello, Arian. Are you at home?
Hello? Yes, Daddy. And how was your journey? Have you reached your destination or not?
I am just on the way. I am 15 kilometers away from the city.
That is very good, Daddy. Have a safe journey.
Arian, son, I am in a problem. It seems that there is some problem with the engine. The bike stopped suddenly.
Oh, so sad. Okay, I am just coming there, and then we will go to the nearest garage.
Okay. How long will it take to reach here, Arian?
I will reach there just within 30 minutes.
Okay. Please come quickly and drive the car carefully.
Okay, Daddy.
Son reaches the place and both go to garage. The discussion goes as follows.
Hi, mister. Please see what happened to my bike. It stopped suddenly on the way.
Okay, I will check it now. Oh shit! How did this happen?
What happened? Is there any problem? Is there anything broken? Or is there anything burnt?
No, the electrical system is not working. That is why the self-start button is not working, and your motorcycle is not getting started.
Please check all problems. I want you to fully repair them.
Okay, I will check it right now. Do not worry, I will just repair it.
Yes. Yes.
Ugh. The brake and clutches are so tight, and the indicator is also not working.
Please repair all the problems, and let me know how much time will it take for repairs.
Brother, I would like to say that it will take 2 hours to repair it.
And how much will it cost?
Brake, clutch, indicator. Brother, you will have to pay the 3,000 rupees in total.
Okay, no problem. Please start working.
Okay.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.